Hey guys, Morel McCrary here with Ramtech PC Solutions. I just want to take a quick minute to give a shout out to Michael Stevens on my team, guys. He's my operations manager. He's also the best man at my wedding, and I was the best man at his wedding. We've known each other for years on years, and this guy holds me accountable. If you don't have somebody in your business to hold you accountable, to make sure that your operations works, to make sure that your workflows work, to make sure that your SOPs stay current, you don't have somebody that holds you accountable for doing things and keeping you in line, you need to find you one. Hands down, one of the best decisions I made was to bring this guy on board here, make him a part of the team. He is one of the ones that keeps me grounded. He definitely will tell me, Morel, that's a dumb idea. You probably don't need to do that. Or, hey, Morel, that sounds like a good idea. We probably need to look more into it. But he'll go analyze it, dig it out, and make sure it's a good fit before he even brings it back to the table and says, this is what we're doing. Or he'll kick it around and says, the idea is great, the concept's wrong. We got to figure out the concept. Find you a Michael Stevens. Find somebody that can hold you accountable in business. Nothing but love for this guy. Find you a Mike. Morel McCrary, Ramtech PC Solutions.